This is going to be a multi-part video because I want to take you all the way of unboxing this beautiful human hair wig. It is like a silver platinum color and it is really beautiful. It feels wonderful. The fibers are fantastic. But I want to take you all the way through because this is a human hair wig and it's hand tied. So you're going to need to cut the lace. I want to show it to you up close. First of all, as you can see here, it has a beautiful, beautiful hand-tied lace. And this area in here, I have it on a left part, but as you can see, you can change the part in this whole middle section here. And let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of this cap. So it is a closed cap. The rest of it is sewn in wefting, and it has, if you have bio hair and you want to use these clips, you can. I might take the clips out because it's just going to make it for a more comfortable fit. I have to say though, I have many of these with the combs in it. I just leave them in because I don't feel it once I get it on my head. There also is the bra strap adjusters here in the back that just loop in so you can tighten it up. For extra tightening and fit, to fit down here at the base of the neck and to pull that lace down so it's more of a glueless fit. Then you do have this elastic strap here that goes on either side behind the ear, and it's going to pull that a little tighter. Now when you order a wig, human hair wig, that has this lace like this, the lace does come down over the ear because it's going to fit on multiple sizes of heads. So when we cut it, we're going to cut it down and then cut it around the ear so that you're cutting part of that away. Don't be scared, you can do it. This is really beautiful. I love it that, of course, it is gray, and so it's a lighter color, and the way that it's knotted, it's single hair, hand tied, so not a lot of knots. You don't see any knots on this. And what I also like is the back of this. Do you see this lace in the back? It means that this has been hand tied so that you can actually pull this wig up, and we'll try that. Pull the wig up and you're going to be able to not see. It's going to look like it's coming right out of your scalp there. So which could be glued down. There's different ways when you're doing a wig like this and you want extra security on it. You may find that the tabs on this style, when you're cutting it around the ear, it may not be perfectly down and tight. It's not a problem. There's many different types of adhesive. This is Yomi, which you can get from my Amazon store. Link is in my link tree. And you just roll this on. You can use this on any wigs that have a lace or don't have a lace, that maybe you're getting slippage on the back, so maybe a wig doesn't fit perfectly, the shape of the back of your head maybe makes the back of the wig slide off. Guess what this is great for? Put on a wig cap or just put it right over your bio hair and roll the adhesive on, let it dry, put your wig on, and that's going to make it stay in place. So it's this is actually also designed when you have those tops, people that have tops that they don't want to have it move, and because you might expose something, this is what too, you can put it on the skin and then put your shirt down or jacket and it's not going to open up. So that's also what this is used for. And there's also tape. So you can buy this tape, which is for wigs, and so you can actually put a piece of tape down and press it on, or put it in the back and press it down, and that's going to hold your wig in place. This can also be found in my Amazon store. So this is a great product as well. I really highly suggest this if you're concerned with lift and movement. This, as well as this adhesive, this is water soluble. So when you're taking it off, if you just use warm water, a washcloth, and put it where the lace is, it's going to lift right off. It's not going to hurt your wig, and it's not going to hurt your hair or your skin. So this is a great product. So we might use that with this depending on its fit. So this is, as you can see here, beautiful density. Let's just try it on without cutting the lace first. So I'm going to pull this lace down, which is going to look kind of strange. I'm going to take my glasses off and come in a little bit closer. Let me kind of lift that so that I can see you. But see how this goes down over the ears? Goes further beyond, right? So when I cut this, and this is 16 inches of beautiful silver gray platinum, hand tied. Look at that. It's really, really pretty. And we're going to cut this lace off, and I'm going to cut it down to go. See how it comes down to here? It's not going to be hard because I think I want to leave some of this like that. So I'm just going to cut it down and around and underneath that. And I can put a little dot of glue if needed. But that strap that hooks on, remember I showed you that white strap that's right behind the ear? That's really pulling that down tight. So I may not need any glue at all, and this will be glueless. But look at this. Look how with the human hair wig, pulling it back, pulling it away from the sides here. Look how flawless that is and real. And what I'm also excited about is once we cut the lace in the back, I'm going to turn around. I can't see what you're going to be seeing, but I think you'll see that this is one of those wigs that you'll really be able to put up in a ponytail and wear it up or twist it up. So this has got like baby hairs here, and see how that's going to work. This is going to be a great wig for being able to, it's a thick density. This is more of a 150 density. So it does give you some nice hair, some nice volume. But as you can see, not so much that hair on top, it really flattens down. As you can see there, it really flattens down. We're going to be able to probably get a really good ear tuck once I cut it to get it behind the ear. And with human hair wigs, this is not cut into a style yet. So you're going to be able to take this. If you can style yourself, you'll be able to style it. And if you're able to go to a good stylist, they're going to be able to cut this hair just like it was on your head. So you take it to the stylist, put it on, and then they're going to be able to, whether you want to, and I will probably just do this, trim this so it's more angled to the side. I think I want a nice bang that swoops over to here. But also, you're going to be able to, it's human hair, you're going to be able to curl it, straighten it, wave it, braid it, wear it back, however you want to. And you can see how beautiful and how easy. You know, I'll need to use some water if I want to change that part over to the other side, or if I want to have it down the middle. You can do that. But so far, I think it's really pretty. I love the hairline. I love the length. And I think it's going to be gorgeous. So stay tuned. I'm going to do a part 2. I'm going to put it on the wig block, on the wig head, and then we're going to cut the lace. So I'll see you in part 2.